Alright mga paps, so ituloy natin yung things that I don't like about this Geely EX2 Max. What's up mga paps? Watch my other videos if hindi nyo pa nakikita yung other features na sa tingin ko missing and good to have sana or potentially deal breaker for some. So let's continue on. Okay, so another one na sana meron siyang center cup holder or armrest, yung pwedeng ibaba dito. Malaki naman yung inallocate nilang cup holders or bottle holders dito sa likod, sa gilid ng doors, which is very good. Sobrang ganda kasi kaya niyang mag-fit ng mga tumblers unlike yung others na sobrang liit. But it would have been nice as well for the passengers here at the back kung meron silang armrest and extra cup holders. The one that's missing is there's no 12 volts socket. So traditionally, di ba, meron tayong 12 volts. Even my E-Max 7 has 12 volts. But this one, ang provided lang is 2 USB, one USB Type-C and one USB Type-A. For me, sobrang kulang yun, especially here at the front. So let's say in your case, meron kayong dashcam. Sa akin kasi yung dashcam ko naka-OBD, so wala akong issue ngayon that. Pero for some other dashcam, it uses a USB slot. Or if in most cases pala is the 12 volt socket. Kailangan mong kumuha ng USB type na dashcam. Problem is one of the USBs here, yung USB type A, is for your Android Auto. Just want to reiterate, wired only yung kanyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So some might find that as a disadvantage. My E-Max 7 is a wireless. I think most BYDs naman are wireless. This one comes wired. So you need to use the USB type A socket provided there para ikabit yung phone nyo to activate yung Android Auto. For me personally, I prefer wired kasi to be honest, ang daming bugs ng wireless, yung frequent disconnection, yung mga ganon. Not sure if it's the same for Apple CarPlay. I can only attest for Google, no? So, yun. Another feature na wala dito sa EX2 is wala siyang rear wipers. Well, for me, never naging sobrang big deal yung rear wipers. Meron naman yung mga other vehicles ko, pero to be honest, I rarely use them. So, for me, it's not a big deal. But some, it might be. I can't believe that I'll be saying this na it's something that I don't like. Pero it's a double-edged sword. Sobrang lamig ng aircon. I mean, okay siya sa umaga, okay siya sa hapon, right? Okay yung lamig. Pagdating sa gabi, promise, ang lamig pa rin niya. I have it at the lowest setting. Number 1 yung fan, pinakamababa yung temperature, ay pinakamataas na yung temperature para hindi siya ganung kalamig. Pero sobrang lamig pa rin yan. Giniginaw ako. The fact na nagko-condensation yung mga glass dito, it just shows how much cold it is inside the vehicle. Sobra talaga niyang lamig. So even if hindi umulan, kailangan ko mag-wiper kasi nagko-condense yung sa harapan ko.
And speaking of aircon, wala tong temperature, degrees o yung measurement na makikita dito sa dashboard. Lines lang siya, ayan no, wala kang makikita. So hindi mo ma-eksakto kung ano yung temperature.
So medyo nalito nga ako nung una kasi akala ko yung kung ano yung mainit, ano yung malamig, pero yun. So sana man lang meron para makikita mo yung actual temperature na sineset mo sa vehicle. Another thing, alam ko meron to sa ibang bansa is yung ventilated seats. Meron silang option here in the console for you to be able to turn on yung heat or cold ventilation sa seats nyo. Another one, minor thing, wala siyang lalagyan ng sunglasses or shades. So if you're the driver na mahilig magsuot ng shades, wala kang lalagyan dito. Which is why there's an accessory na pwede mong ilagay lang dito sa visor para parang sunglasses or shades clip. Parang ganun. So wala siyang lalagyan. Yun. So those are the things that I don't like about this. Yung mga common din across all EVs naman is the lack of spare tire. I think that's a given for all EVs, not just this one. So in short, wala ka din tools, wala kang jack, yung mga ganon. Meron ka lang ibibigay na tire sealant and that's it, one-time use. But overall, I think those are the things that I don't like about this vehicle. But again, for me, it's not a deal breaker. Those are not deal breakers. I can live without them. I just hope meron sana, like for example, some of them nilagay nila sa Max para mas premium yung Max, di ba? Pero there, other than that, let me know if meron pa kayong nakitang ibang issue or something that you don't like. And if hindi pa kayo nakabili, yung mga nabanggit ko ba, deal breaker ba yun? Kasi again, sa akin, hindi. And value for money pa rin yung binibili nyo with this vehicle. So let me know what you think in the comment section below.